Are you on the Venom Testnet? If you're not on the Venom Testnet, this is an opportunity for you to join the testnet and position yourself to earn cool rewards in the form of airdrops in the future. So testnets are like test networks for blockchains. Before a project releases a major blockchain, they usually run it on the testnet, so users can test the blockchain to see that it functions properly before they launch the main blockchain. It's just like having a staging platform, and you're doing all your tests on the staging platform before you move it to production. You know, one rule of thumb is never test in production. You test on your staging platform, or for people that build websites, you understand it better than others. Okay, so you either use a staging platform or your local host. After designing your website, running your test, you push all updates to production. So the staging platform is the testnet, while the main production is the main blockchain. So right now, Venom Foundation is still in the testnet stage. Users are testing different sectors of the blockchain to the limit to see that it works 100% as it's supposed to before the mainnet is launched, and there will be rewards for people who test this testnet. Okay, so today I'll be showing you how to join the Venom Testnet. The Venom Testnet is quite easy. What I'm looking at here is the comprehensive guide, so you can read the comprehensive guide. The link is in the description. The first thing you want to do to join the testnet is to install the Venom wallet. Okay, you can install the Venom wallet on your desktop or on your PC, depending on what device you're using, but I always recommend you to use your PC because it's more convenient than using your phone, but different strokes for different folks. So you first download the Venom wallet. The link to download the Venom wallet is in the description. Then what do you need to do? You need to get test Venom. Okay, it's a test blockchain, and you know, for you to do transactions on the blockchain, you need to have the native token of that chain, and the native token is the test Venom. Okay, this Venom doesn't have any monetary value because it's a testnet. All the tokens in the testnet don't have any monetary value, so they are free. You can easily get them using the faucet. The next thing you do is to go to the Venom faucet to request for test Venom. Okay, the link to the faucet is in the description, and this is how the faucet looks like. To get some Venom, you just need to do some simple tasks like following some projects on social media, joining some communities and all that, so you can see how much test Venom you will get for each of these tasks. So you keep doing them until you get as much as you want. When you're satisfied, then you can start doing the testnet tasks. So far there have been 19 tasks, so if you come now, you're still a bit early. I've done 17 out of them, so I will be using 2 of them to show you how to participate in the testnet, and they're very easy. Okay, they're very easy. So you go to the testnet website and you go to your task. So let's start the testnet by going to see our task. If you're just joining, you will see lots of tasks. When you complete the task goes away, you won't see it anymore. So right now, as you can see, I have 17 projects completed, which are 17 tasks, and there are 2 new tasks for me. So completing tasks is easy. You click on complete tasks. So let's work on this first. So this is a blockchain bridge aggregator, and after completing a task, you get an NFT that shows that you've completed the task. Okay, and after completing the task, one thing you need to do is to go to the Venom channel on Discord. Make sure you join that Discord server. Go to the Venom channel on Discord. They have a channel for submitting completed tasks. This is how it looks like. You join the channel. Make sure when you join the channel, you verify yourself so that you'll be able to see all the other channels. You click on complete task, you see people, you post just one screenshot, the screenshot of your dashboard showing all the tasks completed. You don't need to start posting all the tasks one by one. You post the screenshot of your dashboard here like this, as you can see how others are posting theirs. Then you post your wallet address as the caption. Then you can put your review side by side. Maybe if there's something you notice, you can write it. But if you don't have any feedback, just post your Venom wallet address, okay, in the channel. So this is how you get your Venom wallet address. You get it from your wallet. This is my Venom wallet. This is my wallet. So click on copy here to copy your wallet address. So after completing the task, you come to your dashboard and you screenshot it. Okay, let me go back to my dashboard. So the dashboard is at venom.network/task. The link is also in the description. So what you do is screenshot this page showing your NFT achievements here and showing the number of projects you've completed. Just one screenshot. You don't need to screenshot task by task. Okay, let's go back to the task. Click on complete task. There are just 3 tasks to complete in this mission here. So everything is self-explanatory. Follow so on Twitter. So before you do this, you will link your Twitter account definitely, so that they will be able to verify that you have done whatever tasks you're doing. So I click on follow, and it's going to open my Twitter account. Okay, and I follow. I go back to check. Click on check, and it has confirmed that I have followed. The next one is asking me to transfer CST tokens from BSC chain to Venom. Claim and send CST tokens from BSC to the Venom Testnet chain app.chainspot.io. Okay, so you click on this here. So I want to connect my wallet. You have to connect your Venom wallet. Make sure it's your Venom wallet you're connecting. You click on connect wallet depending on what you're using. If you're using your PC, you click on Venom Chrome extension, and it's going to open your Venom wallet here. So you click on connect. Okay, it's connected. As you can see, my balance is 0, so I click on claim. So I have to connect my MetaMask wallet in BSC to claim CST tokens. All right, so let me connect my MetaMask wallet. Okay, I've connected it, and I click on claim again. Okay, so it says to claim I have to switch my network on MetaMask to the BSC network. So that's what I'm going to do now. Okay, so I click on my MetaMask wallet icon. Depending on if you're using your PC, if you're using your phone, you can change the network with your phone app. Okay, so let me change my network to BSC network. Okay, Binance Smart Chain. Let's see. Okay, if you don't have a particular chain on your MetaMask, it's very easy to add a chain. I'll show you how to do that. Okay, there's a tab called chain list, which you can use to add chains automatically. You can also add it manually if you want, by going to the website help page and copying all the details for claiming. So the next thing, I've connected my MetaMask to the right chain, and I click on claim. Okay, claim in progress. I just have to sign the transaction. This is a pocket universe that prevents you from crypto scams. I encourage you to install this extension on your PC. If you're using your mobile, you need a browser that supports extensions like MySys browser, Kiwi browser. Okay, so claim. Okay, I have claimed, so I have a max balance of 10. And let's see if we have a minimum balance to send. Okay, we don't have a minimum balance. We can send any amount of CST tokens from BSC chain to Venom. So right now, what we are doing now is called bridging. Okay, we are transferring tokens between separate blockchains, and you know by default you can't do that. Okay, you can only swap tokens on a blockchain. So if you have USDT on the Binance Smart Chain, you can only swap USDT for, let's say, Ether on the Binance Smart Chain. If you want to change USDT for Ether on Ethereum, you have to do what we call bridging. Okay, so bridging is what helps you to interact across blockchain. So now we have a CST token, but we don't want to use it on Binance. It's not useful to us. We want to use it on the Venom. That's why we will have to bridge it. Okay, so that's what we are doing here. So I can put in any amount. Let's just put 4, and okay, estimated, and I click on swap. Okay, sign and proceed. Okay, it brings up my wallet again, just like Pocket Universe. It helps me to prevent scam. Okay, I sign it on my MetaMask. Click on sign, and let's wait for the transaction to be approved. So as you can see, this is telling me what's going to happen. This transaction gives you permission to withdraw your tokens. Okay, Pocket Universe is telling me that this is what's going to happen on this transaction. Okay, so I recommend you to use this extension. It helps you so much to see what you're doing, so you don't go into scams and all that. But we know that this is a legit site, so we're not scared of doing anything here. And besides, we're in the testnet, so it's not real money. Okay, let's wait for the MetaMask to bring up the pop-up. Alright, so let's click on next, and again approve here. In this case, we are using token approve. Okay, let's wait again. We have to sign again. Continue. If you don't have the Pocket Universe, you're not going to see this pop up. So it's popping up because I have the Pocket Universe extension. So it's nothing to worry about. Okay. Alright, so let's wait for the confirmation. Let's go back to check, see if it has confirmed. Let's go back to see our transactions. It's still in confirmation. We just have to wait for the bridge to be complete. Alright, so our bridging is complete. Our bridging is complete. Let's go back to check again. Alright, so you can see it has detected that I have done the task. So that's all. The next thing you do is to mint your NFT to prove that you have completed this task. So let's mint the NFT. Again, I paste my password, confirm transaction. Let's wait for it to mint the NFT. Alright, our NFT is minted, so we have completed this task. Let's go back to the next task. So if you have completed all your tasks, you just need to go back to your main dashboard here. Okay, take a screenshot of this area. Let's see. Take a screenshot of this area depending on the device you're using. Okay, make sure the NFT achievement is visible and make sure the project is completed is visible. So that's all. You take a screenshot of this area and you submit to the Discord channel. Okay, so let me cancel this because I'm not done yet. Okay, make sure your NFT achievement, this area shows and project completed shows. All right, let's go back to the last mission. Click on complete tasks. Let's see what it has in store for us. Okay, the next one, follow Ventry on Twitter. Follow, very simple. Go back to the dashboard to check. Just confirm that. Next, we go to the next task. Participate in Ventry NFT Launchpad. Mint an NFT on ventry.gg. So let's go to the website. As always, whenever you open the dApp, the next thing you want to do is to connect your wallet, because without connecting your wallet, you won't be able to do anything. So click on Connect Wallet and click on Chrome extension. I'm using a PC. If you're using your phone, use the mobile app. Okay, I click on Connect. I paste my password and I sign to connect to the dApp. So right now I'm connected. So what is our task? Our task is to mint the NFT. It's very easy. You see the mint NFT here. To click on it. Okay, we have to confirm this transaction. Put your password. And let's wait for the NFT to mint. Alright, the NFT has minted, so we can leave this place and go back to our dashboard to confirm that we have completed the task. So click on check and wait for it to confirm. Okay, let's click again. Alright, it has confirmed that we have completed our task, so we have to mint the last NFT to prove that we have completed the task. Paste my password again, confirm transaction. And voila, that's it. We've completed 2 tasks, and that's all the tasks available right now on the Venom Testnet. So click on go back to projects. As you can see, I have 19 projects completed. You can see my NFTs have increased. Okay, so all I need to do is to take a screenshot of this page here. Take a screenshot of the page. Right, and I save it, okay, and I send it to the channel. So that's it. You've completed your Venom task. So you check on the Venom Discord regularly to see if they have posted new tasks, or you just go back to your Venom Testnet dashboard to see if there are new tasks available. There may be tasks weekly depending on how frequent they update the tasks. So that's it. That's how to participate in Venom Testnet to position yourself for a juicy Venom airdrop. So guys, stay safe, join the Venom Testnet, complete your task, submit your completed task in the Discord. The purpose of Venom requiring users to submit the screenshot is to filter out civils. Civils are like bots, okay, that do all these tasks to farm airdrop. So they want to make sure that they are real users who are really active on the network, not just robots doing airdrop tasks. So make sure to submit your completed task with your Venom wallet address. Again, if you forgot to, you can get your Venom wallet address from the Venom app. So depending on what you're using, you can see your address here. Just click on copy and you paste it as a caption of the image. So that's it, guys. If you like this video, don't forget to comment, like, share, subscribe to my YouTube channel. If you're stuck at any point, ask for help in the Telegram group. The Telegram group link is in the description. Join my Telegram channel for more updates on the Venom Testnet, for more crypto airdrops, updates, tutorials, and earning opportunities. So right now, HackX is looking for a crypto community manager. Okay, so you find more details about that in my Telegram channel. So join the Telegram channel to get lots of juicy Web3 stuff. Okay, so stay safe, and I'll see you in the next video.